Hello students, this is the second part of video lesson 3, the adjective, its kinds. In my previous video, I have explained you about the definition of adjective with examples, and I have also explained the kinds of adjectives. Today, I'll continue with the third kind of adjective, and that is adjective of number, numeral adjective. An adjective that expresses the number of persons or things is called adjective of number or numeral adjective. It answers the question how many. Means the adjective which mention the number of persons or things is said to be adjective of number. Adjective of number are of two types. Definite numeral adjective which denotes cardinals 1, 2, 3 or ordinals first, second, third. Examples: definite means the definite number. Means my sister has 2 dolls. It is definite that the number 2 is my sister has 2 dolls means 2 exact 2 dolls. Okay. His first car was white and the second one blue. First and second word is the adjective of number. Clear? Now, second part of adjectives of number are indefinite numeral adjectives which denotes unknown numbers. Means it doesn't show the exact number. Means all, no, many, few, some, any, certain, several, sundry. All these are indefinite numerals. So examples are: cars are coming from all directions. Not any particular direction, but from all directions. Clear? Very few students. It's not clear how many. Few means kuch. Students learn German in India. Not exact number is mentioned here. So it is indefinite numeral adjectives. Many people go for a walk in the morning. Not particular numbers. Not cardinals, not ordinals. It's many. Okay? It's indefinite numeral. Clear? Now come to the fourth kind of adjective, and that is demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative adjectives tells us which person or thing is being referred to. It shows the person or things by indication. Okay, whether that is singular or plural, and whether that is near or far from the speaker or writer. It also refers that. We have 4 demonstrative adjectives: this, that, these and those. This and that describe singular nouns. This is used to point out something or somebody that is nearby. दिस जो है वो पास की चीज़ को, एक सिंगुलर चीज़ को पॉइंट आउट करता है, और दैट जो है वो पॉइंट आउट करेगा समबडी और समथिंग विच इज़ फार. ओके, एंड सिंगुलर ऑल्सो. दीज एंड दोज डिस्क्राइब्स प्लूरल नाउन्स. मीन्स दिस इज यूज टू पॉइंट आउट थिंग्स और पर्सन्स दैट आर नियर बाई एंड मैनी इन नंबर्स, मोर देन वन. क्लियर? दोज इज यूज टू पॉइंट आउट थिंग्स और पर्सन्स दैट आर फार अवे एंड in plural forms. Okay. Examples: how long have you been living in this house? This house means singular and nearby. Clear? Look at that man in green shirt. That shows the man, and the man is far from the speaker or writer. Clear? And singular person. Okay. Number 3, these clothes are really comfortable. Those taxi drivers, far and plural. Okay. We hired last Sunday were reckless. Clear? Now come to the fifth kind of adjective, and that is interrogative adjective. An adjective which is used with a noun to ask a question is called interrogative adjectives. Some interrogative adjectives are what, whose and which. This type of adjectives ask the questions. Okay, so it is said to be interrogative adjective. Clear? Examples. See the examples. What plan do you have in your mind? What shows the interrogation. So asking the question. So it is said to be interrogative adjective. Clear? Whose house is that? House is the noun and whose is the interrogative adjective. Which way is the wind blowing? All these are the words which are in red color shows the interrogative adjective. Come to the sixth kind of adjective, and that is distributive adjective. An adjective that modifies all the numbers of a group separately instead of collectively is called distributive adjective. ये एडजेक्टिव जो है सारे मेंबर्स को ग्रुप से अलग करता है, डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करता है. सो इट इज सेड टू बी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव एडजेक्टिव. सम डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव एडजेक्टिव्स आर एवरी, ईच, ईदर एंड नीदर. They are normally followed by a noun. See the examples. Each answer is correct. So it qualifies or modifies the each answers, not combined answers. Okay. I know every student. It qualifies each and every student. You can write on either side of the paper. Neither answer is correct. All these are the examples of distributive adjective. ओके. ईदर मीन्स वन और द अदर ऑफ द टू. ईदर का मतलब होता है दोनों में से कोई एक. नीदर मीन्स नॉर वन नॉर द अदर ऑफ द टू. और नीदर का मतलब होता है ना ये ना वो, कोई भी नहीं. क्लियर. ऑर्डर ऑफ एडजेक्टिव्स. रीड द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस केयरफुली. आई वॉन्ट टू बाय अ ब्यूटिफुल न्यू ब्लू जैपनीज कार. माई सिस्टर वॉन्ट्स अ राउंड ब्राउन ग्लास टेबल. नंबर 3, these are huge chocolates ice cream. My father purchased black Italian leather shoes. Number 5, large prehistoric animal bones are found in the excavation, means khudai mein. All these red color words are adjectives. In each of the above sentences, the adjectives in all the colored adjectives are in a particular and correct order. The correct order of adjective makes our writing more natural and meaningful. आप ये words को इधर उधर भी लिख सकते हैं, but to make your writing impressive, you should follow the rules of writing adjectives. Clear? Yes. Correct order क्या होता है? Normally the correct order of adjective should be ऐसा होना चाहिए. जैसे opinion आप किसी के बारे में दे रहे हैं तो you should write like this. First word will be adjective, good, bad, beautiful, ugly, smart, deaf. Appearance के बारे में अगर आप डिस्कस कर रहे हो, उसको क्वालिफाई कर रहे हो, तो आप लिखेंगे similar, big, small, round, square, fresh, broken. Age, new, old, young, new, 2-year-old, and ancient. Color. If you are describing about the colors, you should write first green, red, purple and blue. Origin, Chinese, German, Indian, Punjabi. Material, woolen, cotton, wooden and iron. So you should follow the correct order to write these qualities. Okay. Now students, I have complete lesson 13, the adjective kinds. This is the second part of the video of lesson 13, the adjective kinds. Thank you students.